is Bob Caffee, Team Run Smart Pro, and today I'm going to talk about replacing a switch in the dash. So most of the switches in the dash are interchangeable. You can move them around to wherever you want. I'm replacing this switch. This is our dash dimmer switch, and you see it's spring loaded, and our current switch in the dash, when you push it, it stays. So our dash lights will get dimmer till they finally go off. And then you click it on the bright side and they get brighter and brighter and brighter until you can't see anymore at night. So I'm going to replace the switch, and it's a relatively simple project, and I'm pretty sure you don't need any tools to do that. So I'm going to switch things around and we'll get started. As you can see, this here is the switch, and as you can see, it sticks. So it's a real problem when you go to changing the brightness of the dash lights at night. So the first thing, if you feel on both sides, you have these parts here, and they just pop up. They just lift straight out to you. They're there's a little finger hold right here. Kind of a pain, but they do come right up. And once you get them lifted, this whole switch assembly will come out. And these things on the sides basically just lock the whole assembly in. As you can see, the whole assembly came out. Well, within this assembly you have the emergency flashers and the footwell lamps. So everything is plugged in on the back side where it needs to stay. But as you can see, there's a tab right here, and there's also one on the bottom side right here. And that tab, you press it on both sides, and the switch itself will come out. This is the little tab that needs to be pushed down on the top and the bottom. Push it down and the switch will start coming out. Primarily probably because it has to unplug this whole piece, but anyway, it has to unplug from that in order to come out, and I'll get that unplugged here. Okay, I got those tabs and the switch just popped right out. Pretty simple. You see it's just got some pins there that will slide up into the bottom of the switch. It can only go in one way. Pushes in, snaps in, and now we have the dash light switch working properly. Pretty simple operation. When you go to put it back in, just make sure both of these releases are all the way up. Fits back in its spot, and there it is, locked in, ready to go to work. Most all of these other switches you can move from one position to the other, as long as there's not a direct wire into the back of it. So until next time, this is Bob Caffey. Be safe out there.